Hello everyone and welcome to another video where we will be discussing some important multiple choice question from the fourth chapter of environmental studies, which is pollution. We have already seen 40 questions in part 2 and we will be seeing the next important other set of questions in part 2. So let's begin. Dash can be used to remove the nitrates: renitrification, genitrification, denitrification, all of the above, and the correct answer is denitrification. The BOD content of treated sewage should not be more than dash milligrams per liter: 10, 20, 30, 40, and the correct answer is 10. Processes to remove gaseous pollutant by dissolution into a liquid solvent such as water is called as adsorption, absorption, combustion, none of the above, and the correct answer is absorption. Fluoride pollution mainly affects kidney, brain, heart, teeth. Correct answer is teeth. Which of the following is a non-point source of water pollution? Factories, sewage treatment plants, urban and suburban lands, all of the above. Correct answer is urban and suburban lands. Which of the following is not a marine pollutant? Oil, plastic, dissolved oxygen, all of the above. Correct answer is dissolved oxygen. Noise is dash: huge sound, sound of vehicles, undesirable and unwanted sounds, sound of crackers. Correct answer is undesirable and unwanted sound. The presence of solid, liquid or gaseous compounds in excess concentration in the atmosphere is radioactive pollution, soil pollution, water pollution, air pollution, and the answer is air pollution. What is temporary threshold shift? Hearing loss due to excessive noise, tolerable noise, all of the above, and the correct answer is hearing loss due to excessive noise is called as temporary threshold shift. Which of the following is an air pollutant? Nitrogen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxygen, and the answer is carbon monoxide. The Pollution Standard Index (PSI) scale has a span from 0 to 100, 0 to 300, 0 to 400, 0 to 500, and the correct answer is 0 to 500. Which of the following is not an air pollutant? Smoke, carbon dioxide, nitrogen gas, sulfur dioxide. Nitrogen gas is a correct answer because it is the part of air composition, so it is not an air pollutant. Which of the following problem is not created by noise pollution? Diarrhea, hypertension, deafness, irritation, and the correct answer is diarrhea. A combination of smoke, fog, chemical pollutant seen in industrialized cities is known as soil, smog, fallout, or all of the above, and the correct answer is smog. Air pollution is caused by smoke, insecticides, sewage, loudspeakers. Answer is smoke. Which of the following is not a primary pollutant? SO2, volcanic ash, O3, which is ozone, CO2, and the answer is O3. Which of the following is not the physical characteristic of municipal sewage waste? Density, moisture content, pH, porosity. Answer is pH. Which of the following is not the chemical characteristics of MSW? Field capacity, carbon, nitrogen, potassium. Answer is field capacity. Calorific value is the dash characteristics of MSW. Physical characteristics, chemical, both physical and chemical, or all of the above, and the answer is chemical. Birdman Act about the dump site affect aircraft is a public health impact, environmental impact, both A and B, none of the above. Answer is environmental impact. Sanitary landfill is a engineering method, dumping, landfilling, none of the above. And the answer is engineering method. Which of the following is not a healthcare facility? Mortuaries, funeral services, path labs, institution. And the answer is institution. Biomedical waste contains dash non-hazardous waste 50 to 75, 75 to 90, 65 to 75, 75 to 80, and the correct answer is 75 to 90. The generation of biomedical waste in India is dash kg per bed per day 1 to 2, 1.5 to 2.5, 2.5 to 3.5, 0.8 to 1.5, and the answer is 1 to 2. The landfilling where two liners are provided is called as sanitary landfilling, secured landfilling, both A and B, none of the above, and the answer is secured landfilling. Which of the following is not the method of biomedical waste management? Shredding, autoclaving, sanitary landfilling, and deep burial, and the answer is sanitary landfilling. Incinerators are dash projects: eco-friendly, digestion, composting, waste to energy, and the correct answer is waste to energy. Incinerators are designed to operate at high temperatures more than 8500 degrees Celsius, 1,08,500, 850, 2,08,500 degrees Celsius. And the correct answer is 8500 degrees Celsius. The rate of e-waste generation increases every year: 5%, 15%, 20%, 10%, and the answer is 10%. Incinerator reduces the volume of waste from 60 to 75%, 70 to 85%, 80 to 95%, or 100%. Answer is 80 to 95%. The calorific value of RDF, that is refuse derived fuel pellets, can be around dash kilocalories per kg: 4440, 4400. The correct answer is 4000. If the RDF used off-site, it is usually densified into pellets through the process of pelletization, carbonization, stabilization, or all of the above. Answer is pelletization. Acidification of the soil is the effect of MSW, e-waste, institutional waste, market waste, and the answer is e-waste. Complete destruction of solid waste possible in refuse derived fuel, incineration, sanitary landfilling, all of the above. Incineration. Which of the following is not an e-waste? Cable, refrigerator, monitor, glass, and the answer is glass. India ranked dash in the world of generating e-waste: second, third, fourth, fifth, and the answer is fifth. Which of the following is not a method of e-waste management? Open dumping, dismantling, recycling, component recovery. Answer is open dumping. So this were the another important set of questions from the fourth chapter which we have discussed in this part 2 of the video. So henceforth we will be seeing next chapter and the last chapter in the future coming videos, that is social issues and acts and protections. So thank you friends.